Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux MS Excel
Today I'm going
Guide.
to cover mid function, which is again from text series. In Excel, mid function extract a specific number of characters from a text string starting at a specified position, allowing you to isolate a substring from middle of a longer text string. Alright. So this is the argument. First is text, then start number, and then number of characters. So I have taken an example like Microsoft. I am going to extract this CR only from this particular text. So how to do that? Equals mid tab, it will open the bracket, save the string, then comma. As I am only going to extract CR, so my starting number will be third position, right? 1 2 3, so it will be 3. And then how many characters? I'll say 2 characters, starting from 3 position and 2 characters. So hit enter, so it will extract CR. Explaining you again, I am going to extract this CR from Microsoft, or say FT from Microsoft. How to do that? So I have to give the position first, which position I have to extract and how many characters. So here if I am going to extract this FT, that position will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8th position. So I'm changing it to 8th position. And how many characters? 2 characters. Alright, so hit enter, so it will give you FT. So that is all about, folks, for this
If you
one.
like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stick to my channel, new videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.